Okay, in today's class, we are going to discuss chapter number 3, last lecture, and today is the last class of chapter number 3. In the last class, we finished this question. Okay, so today's class, we will see the akhir one. It is not 4, it is 3. Simulation software, and what are the different simulation software that you can use to create a model. Okay, so here you can see simulation software. So simulation software are of three type. Number one is general type. Number two, simulation programming language. Number three, simulation environment. So the programming language used is known as Fortran, C, C++. Yani in general purpose programming language, we will use Fortran or C++. Next, if the question comes, what are the simulation programming language? Yani this is general ARM, okay, and this is simulation language. Yani if you want to do simulation, then the language is GPSS and Symbian. Okay, so this is difference. Yani general, yani C, C++, Fortran, and if you want to use for simulation, then GPSS and Symbian. Okay, next, simulation environment. Simulation environment meaning is in which you want to develop a model. So simulation environment is OpenNet, MATLAB Simulink, and Arena. Okay, so these are the three different things. So mumkin question, uktub the general purpose programming language, then you will uktub Fortran and C, C++. Okay, next question mumkin, what are the simulation programming language? So you will write GPSS and Symbian. Next question mumkin, uktub the simulation environment. So you will uktub OpenNet, MATLAB Simulink, and Arena. Mumkin Wahid mass question like this, dash is an simulation environment. So simulation environment, OpenNet, GPSS, C++. So here show simulation environment, here OpenNet. So here show OpenNet is the correct answer. Next question, so a dash is an simulation programming language. So simulation programming language is Hina. So mean Hina itne GPSS and Symbian. So here Arena Mafi C++ have the GPSS. Okay, so like this question in exam. Understand all students? Any problem? Hmm. Next is guideline on simulation software collection. Yani what are the guidelines yani the information or the procedure you will follow when you want to purchase a simulation software. Again, when you want to purchase a simulation software, then what are the different guidelines that you will follow? So number one guideline is consider multiple broad issue, like you will select which is easy to use, accuracy good, it will support training, yani in inside the software it will having more training, more support to use the software. So you will select the software which is easy to use, which is accurate, and which will having support and training. Okay, so कौन दिया? अच्छा. Execution speed. Next you will see is execution speed. Okay, yani the execution speed of the software is lazim good, because slow speed will create a problem. So slow speed create problem. So execution speed lazim high. Number 3, employer vendor sometimes lie. Yani when you go for purchasing a software, so sometimes the shop boy, or you can say the seller, sometime tell lie to sell his software. So that's why be aware of that. Okay, so yani when you go in the shop to purchase a software, simulation software, then sometime the vendor or who will sell the software will lie sometime. Okay, number 4, try before you buy. Yani you will test the software. Yani maybe like in the internet 30 days trial version. Okay, yani 15 days trial version. So some trial versions are موجود. You will install the trial version and use the trial version. If everything is okay, then go to purchase original software, yani paid software. Okay, so I will try the trial version but then purchase the software. Okay, number 5, be aware of simple features list. Simple feature yani lazim interface very good, speed very good, mafi delay, mafi intezar, and you can say it will support more library, it is portable, it will support multiple operating systems. So these are the different features list. Yani when you go for the purchasing of software, you should remember the features list. Okay, yani RAM, it will support low quality RAM. Yani if it want to support high graphics card, then it will create problem. So like this you have the features list. See here, number 6, graphical interface is easy. Yani lazim graphical interface easy to use. Next, number 7, 3D 3D graphical display. Okay, so it will support all these. So these are the 7 guidelines that you should remember when you want to purchase a new simulation software. Understand? So these are the 7 guidelines. Number 1, easy to use, lazim accuracy, support training and videos. Number 2, speed lazim QoS, any high speed. Number 4, be aware of the lies by the vendors. Number 4, when you want to purchase a software, I will try the 30 days version. Number 5, when you go to purchase a software, you should remember a simple features list. Graphical interface lazim easy to use. Number 7, it will support 3D graph. Any problem? Any student up to Hina? This is theory, huh? All theory. You have to remember only. Next, simulation package. Simulation package. So simulation package, yani these are the Talata common characteristic. Number 1, GUI based, yani it will support graphical user interface. Number 2, animated graphics. Number 3, automatic data collection. These are the Talata characteristics of simulation package. Okay, yani lazim graphical user interface, lazim graphics, lazim data collection, automatic. So these are the Talata characteristics, very important characteristics. Lazim GUI, lazim graphics, and number 3, automatic data collection. Okay, next. Now simulation package, number 1, Arena, number 2, this, oh sorry, number 1 this, number 2 this, number 3 this. So Arena is of 3 type, this 1, 2, 3. Arena yani it is used for business process simulation. It is built using Symbian language. As you studied here, what is Symbian? Here you see, this is a simulation programming language. So this arena is built on Symbian. Okay. Next is auto mode. Auto mode yani it will generate AVI movies, 3D animation. Okay. And it is used for material handling and manufacturing process. Yani auto mode is a simulation package which is used for material handling, manufacturing process. It will generate AVI movies. It will support 3D animations like this. Next, Quest. Quest is robotic simulation. Next is OpNet Modular. OpNet Modular is a simulation package for complex network. Yani for complex network, it is a graphical modeling. Next, MATLAB Simulink. This we used Gadim in the MATLAB. Well, this data modeling programs we run in MATLAB, but because of Corona, lazim online, so that's why we switched to Scilab software, because here we use MATLAB in the college. No problem. So MATLAB yani it is having block diagram. It will focus on scientific and technical application. It support lots of toolbox and block set. Okay, so it will support diagram. It will focus on scientific and technical application. It will support rich set of block set and toolboxes. Okay, next, MathCAD. MathCAD. MathCAD यानी it will support mathematical equations, worksheets. It will include symbolic programming language. So these are the simulation package. Number 1 Arena, number 2 MATLAB, number 3 MathCAD. Now how the question will come in the exam? Question like this: list any ARBA type of simulation package. So ARBA type yani number 1 ada, number itne, number talata. So these are the ARBA types of simulation package. Okay, you have to uktub ism. If in exam question yani uktub in yani explain, so you have to explain. If mafi explain, uktub only the name. Okay. So any question up to here? Any question up to here? All students understand? Okay. Because this is theory, you have to remember this. Yes. Now, trends in simulation programming language. What is the current trends? Okay, what is going on in current trend? Awal we use studied. See here, this is simulation package. Gadim, you studied simulation package. And what are the different simulation package? Arena like this. Now you will study what is the current trends, current culture, what is going on currently. High accuracy, lazim high fidelity simulation. High fidelity meaning is lazim high accuracy of complex system. Number 2, data exchange standard. It will support different data exchange standard. It will support Linux to Windows, Windows to Android, Android to Apple. So it will support multiple data exchange standards. Okay. Number 3, it will support client server computing, distributed computing. So number 3, it will support client server because maybe LAN, maybe internet. So that's why it has to support client server computing. Number 4, general purpose. Okay, meaning is general purpose simulation. Yani you will make the Wahid Marra the code and you can reuse it. And you will make the code Wahid Marra and after that you can reuse it. Number 5, richer object library and reusable block set. Yani it is having more support for the library. Yani meaning is it will support large set of library and large set of block sets. Number 6, multiple computer simulation to accelerate. Yani it will support multiple computer simulation. So these are the trends in simulation programming language 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How the question in exam? Question like this. What are the trends in simulation package? So you will look to 1, 2, 3, 4 here module. 1, 2, 3, 4. Any 4. Okay. So question like this. Any problem? Any student?